Hi everyone and welcome to my place, continuing the wedding series. Can you guess what we're doing today? It's garden roses. I think of all of the bouquets I have ever made, those that I do in the summer with summer flowers are some of the best bouquets. And I love those bouquets where you just went to the garden or you went through all your aunts and all your family members and you got a bit of this and a few of these and a few of these. And then if you're at the market, you can get a few fresh. Well, I want to show you how to make a really lovely bouquet with some forever beautiful blooms. I've got some lovely gypsophila, which has the most beautiful smell that I've got out of my garden. And I've got a forevermore ivy. The reason I love this ivy is it's got that beautiful spring green new growth to it, but it doesn't get the droop on, and it's perfect as a base for what we're going to do today. Okay, so all you need to do is get all of your roses. Look at that. Get all your roses. Make sure that they're all together. They can go in whichever order of colour you want them to be, because it's a garden bouquet of picked roses. So it doesn't have to be neat and tidy, but just make sure that all of your stems are about the same length and everything that you're using is being held in your hand. Now you can then go and you can get a few of your fresh blooms, and these, just releasing your hand just a little bit, poke those fresh roses down in amongst the forever blooms. Isn't this clever? Who would have thought? Now, a lot of people say to me, oh, but can you use fresh and artificial together? Well, I want you to know that yes, you can, because if your heart is set on something and you can't get it, you just go for the forever flowers. And then by putting a few fresh blooms in with it, you know what? You just take it to a whole new level. Now, the other thing about poking these in as you go, it means that, now let me just show you what happens. Now, I only bought these the other day. In fact, I bought these not yesterday. Yes, it was yesterday morning. See what they've done? Now, I have conditioned those. I've slant cut them. I put them into hot water to just open up those fibers, and it's still done it. But let me show you what you can do. Now, it's got a little bit of a droop on, but once you get it down and in amongst the other flowers, look what happens. Ta-da! It's got that beautiful support. Now I'm going to just bring one more of those red roses down in there. And also, if you're using highly fragrant flowers, I just love that. Highly fragrant fresh flowers. Well, you know what? You can't tell. Now, to finish them off, there's two ways that you can put the gypsophila or the baby's breath into this. You can put it down into your arrangement, but what I like to do is to put it around my bouquet, so you've got this lovely softening of those lines. So I've got 4 pieces of this. I'll put a piece over to there, and then I'm going to bring another piece up and over to there. Now, don't for goodness sake let anything go, but look how beautiful that looks. It just looks like you went to the garden and picked it. Now, the ivy. Do I want to use that? Yeah, I do want to use that. Hold on, I'm just going to put that into there because that's just too beautiful not to use. And there was a little bit of a hole there. Look at that. And I love the mutations and the new varieties of roses that are now on the market. Oh, fantastic. Right, you have 2 choices. You can either have that to hang down like that so that it becomes a hanging bouquet, or what you can do is just bring that around so that you've got this lovely natural movement of the ivy around the edge. Bring that round to there. Now, to finish it, a cable tie. Just get your cable tie, or you could get some rope or some raffia or whatever you've got, and just take that around to there, and then just finish it off, and there you have a beautiful arrangement or bouquet to carry. Now, if you wanted a suggestion on what to do with these, I would just get little jam jars and then just put all of your roses, just a minute, just get your table and then just get little jam jars and have your roses at varying lengths running down your table with a few candles. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh, I'll see you again another day. Bye for now.